When one service fails in a distributed system, it can bring down your entire application like falling dominoes. This is called a cascading failure, and it's exactly what the circuit breaker pattern prevents. A circuit breaker sits between your service and a dependency. When the dependency is healthy, requests flow through normally. But when failures start happening, the circuit breaker stops sending requests entirely. This prevents your service from wasting resources on calls that will fail, and protects the failing service from being overwhelmed while it's already struggling. The circuit breaker has 3 states. Closed is the normal state where requests pass through. When failures exceed a threshold, it trips to open, immediately rejecting all requests without even trying. After a timeout period, it enters half open, allowing a few test requests through. If those succeed, it closes again. If they fail, it reopens. What triggers the circuit to open? Typically, a failure threshold like 5 consecutive errors, or a failure rate like 50% of requests failing over a time window. You can also use timeout thresholds, where slow responses count as failures. In practice, libraries like Resilience4j for Java, Poly for .NET, or Hystrix handle this for you. Here's how simple it looks in Resilience4j. You configure the thresholds, wrap your service call, and the library manages the state transitions automatically. Circuit breakers are essential for resilient, distributed systems. They prevent cascading failures, give failing services time to recover, and keep your application responsive even when dependencies aren't. Practice implementing one in your next microservices project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.